Good morning. Right, so it's happy New Year. It's New Year's Day. It's a new day. It is crisp. It is freezing. And I got an engine to fit. Happy days. Let's have a look. Right. So before I get carried away too much today, I'm going to try and hit that drive shaft knuckle back on. Because that's just going to be annoying later. Other than that, I think I'm going to put the mounts on the engine so it sits on rather than try and raise it up too, if that makes sense. But I think if it's got the mounts on, we can just drop it down, put it up in, give it a jiggle wiggle and drop it on. But we'll see. So at least it's a nice morning out there. Freezing though. Right, so here's the old battered one. We had a good look, they are the same. You can see that this one is night and day better. This one had 109,000 I think on. This one's got 48 on it. Well, who knows? I'm gonna have to get him out in a minute, help me drag it over there. So I'm gonna have a go at this drive shaft first. Oh, she went. Happy days. The next for that. Hit my hand more than I hit it. Yes. So he's finally up out of bed. We've managed to drag the engine over on a skateboard. We had a really good time. Well, basically, I need to spin it around actually, but it's going in a minute. Let's try and might have to get a time lapse going or something, I suppose, as I can't hold it and shoot, or it'll be long as hell. Right, so it's in. She's literally hanging off the two side mounts at the moment, but get the bottom one done up. Start putting some electricals back together, and yeah, I need to start thinking about getting some fluids, I suppose, in a minute. Right, so nothing too major. We're gonna heat matrix hose. One. And there's the second one, goes in that. Two. And then we'll bring the loom back round in a minute, but I need to mount. Sorry, terrible filming. Mount the gear, whatever you call them, selector rods, or whatever, and the clutch. I'm just going to bolt that assembly back to the gearbox in a minute. And we'll bring the loom round, sort the fuse box out, and put out gonna. Oh, look what I did around there. I can't remember what I did around there. Right, so we've got two fuel hoses attached on me, and I'll have to take one off. And then, pretty simple. Throttle cable back on. And then bottom engine mount, exhaust. Fire it up. Done that little job yet? Right, clutch and gear selector rods are back on. A moment of truth on that. Have you got a clutch? Does it feel like a clutch?
Feels... Do you want to have a go on it?
Yeah, get away. Get out the way! What the fuck is this samurai shit? Oh, that's fucking lovely.
Yeah, can you change gear?
I think you've got all of your gears. Can't really tell with that.
Hold on. Oh, let me have a look.
Fifth gear feels like a myth, but... Right, so we'll put the split pins back in there in a minute. They're in the other engine. If we still have them. Put split pins back in there. And then start putting some wiring on and get the drive shaft in, I guess. Drive shaft's going to be a pain in the ass. You weren't mooning about French bolt positioning, are you, Liam?
There we go. Split pins and some anything.
Right,
Put your camera down back there.
Oh, how am I supposed to do that, you Wally?
Look, pass me.
It's in Did you enjoy that? Oh, you got to do it on you. But going well. There's Liam stuck on the dam, finishing his little engine mount job. And that is engine in. Happy days. We'll have wrestle these fucking drive shafts in a minute. Be fun, won't it? See what we can do. Might start trying to get this one in a second. Yeah, get your hand out of the way. I'm coming in with a shaft. Coming in with a dry shaft. Right, so now we got all the wiring loomed back together, the ECU plugs back in, engine harness all done. Can't remember if I already said, but the bottom engine mount's now done. So, on to the drive shafts. Right, so one side slipped right in, but yeah, as you probably saw, I was having a fight of my life with the other side, and for the life of me, I cannot get the finger in. So yeah, fun and games, I'm sure it'll go in the end. Right, Liam, this is not going to be, I repeat, not going to be the oil that stays in your car. The oil is needed to run your car. You cannot let oil not be in your car. What you got there?
Well, it's really hard to tell if there's anything there.
Put some more in. That's what it looked like before.
That's going to be the whole bottom.
Is it? No. A bit more. Look, 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 look. You owe me a litre of oil as well, you little fucker. That do. I don't know why you're worrying about the dipstick a minute. We're going to drop it out in a minute anyway. New oil and filter when we get all the fluids tomorrow. Annoyingly, we can't get nothing as New Year's Day. Right, put a cap on.
We need the battery first, then.
I know that. Alright. What's that there? Good start, isn't it? Right, so it didn't even turn over. It sounded like it was pretty much clicking. Right, so the engine moves of some description. Yeah, the engine ain't seized, so that's a good start. Try it again. Right, stop a minute. The only thing I haven't done is connected that over for a minute, so let's connect that. Well, I can't really see that that's going to do it. Other than that, we're going to put power straight to the. We'll put power straight to the starter motor solenoid and see what the fuck's going on that way. Didn't start. Keep trying now. Oh, just wait a minute. Right, so in true fashion, right, part of the engine loom was missing off of the battery, the main battery positive. So we're gonna try again, Liam. This battery's going the wrong way, I wonder why it looked weird. Please hold. Start the car, Liam. Hey! It runs like a dream. On the button, boy. You happy? Oh. No way.
Ain't that the noise that one was doing?
No. Absolute runner, my boy. You gotta be happy with that, surely. Yeah. Engine light's gone off as well. What a machine! What little machine she is. So, turns out all I need to do is pop the drive shaft in what I can't get in, and we need to fill it up with coolant, fill it up with gear oil, just sort of bleed all the fluids, make sure everything's tight, give everything a once over. But mainly that drive shaft, I can't be asked to get back under the car. I'm absolutely filthy. I'm freezing cold. We're going to go into the doors now. But you got to be happy with that, Liam, surely.
Yeah, I'm really happy with it.
Over the moon, surely.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's dead. On the runner is in. Happy days. Result.